Welcome to Choking in Adults and Children. In this video, we will discuss relief of choking in adults and children. Choking is a common but highly preventable cause of cardiac arrest. If it's a mild obstruction and the individual is breathing, wheezing, and coughing, stay with the individual and encourage them to stay calm and cough. If it's more severe and the individual has little to no breathing and is making little to no noise, call EMS and immediately begin alternating back blows and abdominal thrusts. Start with 5 back blows. Stand to the side and slightly behind the individual, support their chest with one hand, and deliver 5 firm blows between the shoulder blades with the heel of your free hand. Then perform 5 abdominal thrusts. Stand behind the individual, wrap your arms around their waist below the ribcage, place the side of your fist just above the navel, grip it with your other hand, and press forcefully inward and upward. Alternate 5 back blows and 5 abdominal thrusts until the obstruction is relieved or the individual becomes unresponsive. If they become unresponsive, begin BLS steps. This concludes our lesson on choking in adults and children. Next, we will review choking in infants.